Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm Prabodhi Preethika. If you are new to this channel, I create videos about bachelor's, MSc, PhD scholarship, and I have almost covered how to prepare for your IELTS exams, how to write your academic CV, and how to write winning scholarship statements, personal statements, and I have covered scholarships all around the world, scholarships in USA, Japan, Australia, and bachelor's, MSc, PhD scholarship without IELTS, scholarship in Europe, UK MSc scholarship, UK Commonwealth scholarship, bachelor scholarship. So if you are interested of applying any of these scholarship, feel free to watch for more information. So today I'm going to talk about two fully funded UK scholarship. So the very first one is Stephen Young Global Leader Scholarship Program at Strathclyde Business School in Glasgow. So to be considered for this scholarship, you should have an offer for the MBA program at Strathclyde Business School, and you should have good academic merit, and also you should be successful from the interview, and they are not consider any duplicate applications, and they're gonna notify if you are only successful from the scholarship. And you need to fill all the information here in the form to be considered for the scholarship. But before that, you need to apply for the particular master program. So let's copy this name, MBA with Strathclyde Business School. So from here you can go through this link. So I have put everything in the description, all the links for the particular scholarships and particular master program, so you can find out everything from my description. So let's scroll down, and then you will find out Strathclyde MBA. So Master of Business Administration, so I believe this is the particular master program for that scholarship. So you need to find out whether you are eligible for the scholarship or whether you are fulfill the entry requirement for the particular program. So it's a 12-month full-time program, and it's a accredited MBA program. So they have mentioned kind of like an introduction about the course, and then they have mentioned all the course content, so you can check whether you can follow these courses or not. And then you can find out their career opportunities, and then from this section you can find out the requirement to follow up this program. So for the qualification, you should hold a degree from a UK university or else comparable non-UK institution. So it doesn't matter whether your degree is from UK or Sri Lanka. If you have enough qualification, just feel free to apply. And you should be at least 24 years age to follow this master program. And you should have minimum 3-year full-time postgraduate experience. So if you don't have any experience, feel free to contact the program coordinator for more information about your eligibility. So they have mentioned contact details, emails, sort of stuff. Normally you have to upload your IELTS results. So the minimum score is band 6.5. So that's how you can find out whether you are eligible for the program. So if you feel that you are eligible, feel free to apply from this section. So you just click the apply button, and then it will direct you to a particular bill. So you need to if you don't have an account at University of Strathclyde, you can create your profile. So just fill all the information and create the profile, and then from the portal you can fill out all the information for each section and submit the application with all required documents. And then you will get your offer, whether it's a conditional or unconditional. You should have an offer with an applicant number to fill out the scholarship application for. So once you apply for the program, and once you got conditional or unconditional offer, then you can fill out this form. So for this form, you just need to fill out your information and then contact details and your qualification. Then you need to upload a scholarship statement which has a maximum 1000 words, and you should write down about your ideas, experience, and future career plans, like what you're gonna do after following this MBA, and why you are applying for this MBA, and why you should be selected for this scholarship sort of stuff. And if you need more advice about scholarship essays, you can check out my Commonwealth scholarships, where I have explained everything about these kind of statements, but in Sinhala language. Hope to do some of stuff in English soon if you are interested. So feel free to drop a comment if you need any sort of specific advice about scholarship applications in English language. So for these statements, they have mentioned how to develop the statement. So there are 3 sections you need to consider, and they have particular word limit for each sections, why you are applying and what are your ambitions afterwards, why you believe that you are a future global leader. You need to explain how you have created positive social impact so far for the society, and then what make you an ideal candidate for this scholarship sort of stuff. Have describe kind of like a advice to prepare this statement. So you can read about all the instructions and feel free to lay out your statement based on these guidance, and make sure you are not exceeding any of these word count. And then you need to upload the statement, and then you can proceed with the application. So that's the process for this scholarship. So before moving to the second scholarship, let's quickly go through the benefits of this scholarship. So for this one, there are 5 scholarships available, and it will cover your tuition and living cost. So the deadline for the scholarship is June 1st, so hurry up. Other than that, they have provided kind of like a eligibility criteria for the particular scholarship. So you should have an admission first, and you should you should be able to demonstrate that you have kind of like exceptional academic merit. Normally you should have first class or second upper to be eligible for this scholarship. And also they have mentioned about the selection process, that how they gonna select candidates for interviews and stuff. And then you can submit your scholarship application form through these websites, as I have discussed earlier. And other than that, you can contact these people for more information if you have any doubts, but make sure you have read everything in these websites. So the fee status is international, so they will cover international tuition fee as well. So that's all for this scholarship. Other than that, you can read about for the information and then apply. So let's move to the second scholarship, which is David Sainsbury scholarship at University of East Anglia. So I have already covered this scholarship in my UK MSc scholarship series in Sinhala language. If you need more information, feel free to watch my Sinhala video as well. So this is also a particular scholarship that will only offer if you got accepted from Global Plant Health MSc program. So you should have offer first to be eligible for this scholarship. So let's talk about the benefits of full MSc scholarship. So there are 2 categories. There is one is full MSc scholarship, and the other one is 50% tuition fee scholarship. So the full MSc scholarship will cover full tuition fee, which is £35,000 international fee, and then they will give you kind of like a maintenance grant value at UKRI postgraduate researcher stipend level. So it is £19,000, and you will get additional £4,000 for travel, and they will cover up your flight tickets as well to travel from your home country. To be eligible for this scholarship, you should have offer for the particular MSc program. So let's quickly check their website. So you just need to click this link. It will directly you to the particular master program. So it's a full-time 1-year program. It's gonna start in this September, and you will get MSc. And they have provided course overview, and you can find out entry requirements from this section. So if you are international student, you should have a UK bachelor degree equivalent to 2.1. I think 2.1 is second lower, but double check, I'm not sure. So the subject is biological science or equivalent that cover plant and microbial stuff. Degree subject, they have mentioned that you should have a biological science degree, or else if you have an equivalent degree that cover up plants or microbial stuff in your bachelor program, so you are eligible for this program. So don't consider about the degree name, just go through the course content, and if you feel that okay, you have got kind of like an introduction knowledge from your bachelor degree to be follow this MSc program, just feel free to apply. Don't worry about the degree name. And additional entry requirements, you should have a CV and stuff, and then you should have knowledge about molecular biology, molecular interaction, data science and stuff, statistic, laboratory skills and stuff to be follow this program. And other than that, for international applicants, you should have provided your documents and stuff no later than June 28th. And there are a few more instructions for international applicants, so feel free to read these instructions before apply for any particular program. And I have provided all links in my description. Just check those out later on. So for English qualification stuff, you need to have a band 6.5 from your academic IELTS, and each band you should have 6. And other than that, you will have kind of like an online interview to be selected for this particular program. If you feel that you are eligible for the program, feel free to apply from this tab. So you need to start your application, create an account first, and then just fill out the information they need and upload the evidence you have. Once you submit an application for the particular master program, you need to wait to get an offer, and after that you can apply for the scholarship. And other than that, you should have nationality from this DAC from this list. So we'll check out whether Sri Lanka is there or not. So from low middle income countries, you can find out yeah, Sri Lanka is there. So Sri Lankan students are eligible for this scholarship. Okay, so they do have 50% scholarships, so you can read more about those stuff if you're interested. Other than that, there is nothing else you need to worry about the application, because for this scholarship there is no separate application, so you just automatically consider for this scholarship if you have applied for that particular master program. It's because they're gonna evaluate your qualification based on the criteria, how relevant your bachelor degree to the particular master program, and how knowledge and with the knowledge, experience and potential you have for the particular course and your future goal and stuff. So the application process, you might need to submit kind of like a personal statement, scholarship statement stuff. So feel free to watch my scholarships essay writing tips from UK Commonwealth Scholarship Series to more for more information. And the deadline for this scholarship is May, and you have only little time left, so hurry up guys, apply for these opportunities. So that's all. I hope you understand how to apply for David Sainsbury scholarship as well. So before we wrap up, if you are looking for help with scholarship essays and stuff, I have already covered everything in Sinhala language. And also, if you ever need more advice or help in a particular area or in a particular scholarship process, just drop a comment in any of my videos. I normally refresh my comment section daily, and I try to reply to everyone as quickly as I can. I think that's the quickest and easiest way to reach me. So don't hesitate, reach out. I'll support you the best I can. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye and good luck with your scholarship journey.